Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, and just a real quick one. The strategy session's about a half an hour long, and I'm talking Tesla, short squeeze, and stuff like that. So if you're a member, definitely check that out. I go into great detail on the mechanics of short squeezes and why I think Tesla is going a lot higher. And you know, I don't even like the company, but I do think the stock's going to wind up going higher. Anyway, so check that out. So Beyond Meat, this is interesting. I rode this up a bit, didn't make as much money as I could have, but isn't that always the case? Seriously, isn't that always the case? But I've avoided the stock because it's been on the way down here. And I saw somebody in our trading forum today mentioned that Beyond Meat was starting to break out above 80 bucks, above the 50-day moving average on huge volume, more than twice average volume. And so I'm looking at the chart, and this is looking pretty good to me. Not really my kind of trade. I like them up in the upper right-hand corner as opposed to down in the lower right-hand corner. I call this the winner's circle, and I call this down here the penalty box. So I like them up here. But with that said, this is a really big move, 12.5% today. I think you can buy this stock. Now you kind of have to give it a bit of room here because it was a big move today. But this to me looks like it's a stock that can go significantly higher. There's not a big short interest on this stock, so I'm not really looking for a short squeeze. I just think that they report earnings in 20 days on the 27th, and obviously the market thinks that, number one, the stock's, quote, gone down enough, air quotes is what I say. It's gone down enough. It's lost more than 2/3 of its market cap from the very high. But then now you're seeing buyers coming in saying, well, not only do I think it's done going down, but I think it's going to start going up. And all that buying is sparking more interest in the stock. And so I think it's going to be a self-fulfilling prophecy. And I'm looking for $100 before earnings. I really think it can make that kind of run. So I would be long this stock. And I'd keep a stop maybe just a little bit below the 50-day moving average. So anyway, that's it here. I'll see you guys next time.